Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online.
Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
X Basics. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of X? In this video, I'll show you how to craft the perfect post, engage meaningfully, follow and get followed back, and boost your likes, replies, and retweets, all in one video. How to make an X post. Now let's get started. Go to x.com and log into your account. So when you land in the home page, you should see two different sections. There's a For You section and there's a Following section. So the Following section is only going to show you the accounts that you followed. So I just followed 3 accounts. So as I scroll down, I'm going to see only tweets or posts from that specific accounts that I'm following. Now the For You page is a combination of accounts you're following, but it will also show you things based on your activity or based on what you told it that you like. So you're gonna see different things here than just what you're following. So you could switch between these two anytime. This right here is where you post your own tweets. We'll cover that in a second. And on the left side, there are some options for the different menus. On the right side, what's happening, it's kind of like what's trending in the world and on X right now. So they're going to appear over here, and down here, it's going to make recommendations for you to follow. Let's go ahead and create our own post on X. So right over here where it says what is happening, you could actually post to X yourself. That's called tweet or post. You could also press the option right here where it says post. So I'm going to go ahead and do it from here. So click on post, but it gets you the same exact option. Now here you have a privacy setting, so you could do everyone. This is a public tweet. Anyone could go to your profile and see that, or it may get recommended to them. You can also see here accounts you follow, verified accounts, and only accounts you mention. So typically choose everyone here for your post, and then you type your first tweet or post. And you can type in here what you'd like your post to say. Now there's a limit on how many characters you could type here. So as you can see, as I'm typing, this is filling up over here. And that limit right now is 280 characters. So when you see this red and it says 0, that means everything else is not going to be added to the post. So you'll have to actually make this 280 characters. Before it was 140 and then they changed it into 280 characters. You do have this plus sign here. If you press this, you could actually add another post to that post. So if you have a longer thought, this is the way to get around the limitation. This is called a thread. Going back here, you have a few other options. To attach a photo or video, tap the photo icon. Then select an image or video from your device to share it to your audience. Just double tap and then it will be added to your post. To add a fun animated GIFs, tap the GIF icon. Then you can browse popular GIFs or search for something specific. Tap a GIF to add it to your post. To run a poll through X, tap the poll icon. Then you could add a question and add up to 4 questions for people to vote between. You can choose how long you want your poll to last by tapping poll length. Then you have here hours and minutes. You have here next emojis, so you can choose which emojis you'd like, and you could just click on right here and then it will be added to your post. Then you have schedule option right here if you want to schedule your post. Just set what month, day, year, and time. Then click on confirm. If you'd like your post to share your location, tap the location icon. And while we're here, I'm going to show you how you could write text. So your text could go along with the video or the photo, and you actually still have a limit on how much you could share, and you could tag people and add a description as well. So let me explain this while we're here. There's 2 main things with a tweet or post to get it to be discoverable by other people. One is called hashtags. So if you type in a hashtag and you could type in something like this, it's going to give you some recommendations. Now, hashtags are searchable too. So when you go to the Explore page, a lot of things on X basically get labeled with these hashtags and it makes them discoverable. So I recommend if you're trying to grow your X following, use hashtags appropriate to the type of post you're making. So other option you have along with hashtags is you could use the @ So the @ is above the number 2 on your keyboard. You could do Control 2 or Command 2 on a Mac and then type in another username. So I could type in another username and that will appear here under search and I could tag them. This will get their attention in a way where they will basically see this on their profile if they have that setting available. And then you could tweet or post from here once you use your hashtags and you use the mention sign. Tap post in the top right corner. You can see your own posts by going to your X profile. Tap Profile in the left side corner. Here you can see your past posts, replies, highlights, articles, media, and posts you've liked. You can edit your profile by tapping Edit Profile at the top. Now that you know how to make an X post, let's proceed to the next lesson, which is engaging with other people on X. Engaging with others' posts on X is a great way to build relationships, grow your visibility, and establish your presence. Here's how you can effectively engage with other people on X. Leave meaningful replies. Add value to the conversation with thoughtful comments, insights, or solutions. Ask follow-up questions. Show genuine interest by asking questions that encourage further discussion. Retweet with commentary. Share their posts with your audience and add your perspective or appreciation. Like and support regularly. Consistently like posts from accounts you want to engage with. This shows interest and keeps you on the radar. Tag others when relevant. Bring others into the conversation if you know they'd have valuable input. Engage with polls and questions. Participate in polls or answer open-ended questions to show active involvement. Celebrate their achievements. Acknowledge and congratulate when someone shares a success or milestone. By showing genuine interest and contributing to discussions, you will build meaningful connections and grow your visibility on X. Now that you know how to engage with other people on X, let's proceed to the next topic, which is following others and getting follows. Also, we will talk about likes, replies, and retweets. To follow other people, if you're on the For You page, you could basically hover over a name and it lets you follow or unfollow someone from here. This one, I'm already following, but sometimes on the For You page is going to show you accounts you're not following, and you could just directly follow them from here. You could also follow them from their profile page. So in this step, what I recommend is you follow a good amount of people. So it populates your X or Twitter. So it makes them more useful. You could do this again from here, from your For You page, or you could go to this Explore tab over here. And basically with the Explore tab, if you scroll down here, it's going to again show you who to follow and give you some other recommendations. And you could press Show More and then follow a bunch of different people from here. So if you want to follow different people, you could just click following from over here. Now what's also useful is the search option. So you could obviously follow people or companies from here too. I'm going to type in a company name. I could go ahead and search for that company name. And then it's going to let me, if I go to the people tab, for example, it's going to show me all the different profiles here. I could just follow them from here as well. If I go to the top or latest, it's just going to show me posts from my search. So that's what I recommend you do is go to the people tab, search different people or different companies that you like, and then go ahead and follow them from here. Another useful option on the Explore page is if you go to trending right here, it's going to show you based on your country, all the different things that are trending. So a lot of people kind of see what's popular right now based on the trending tab. And there's also a For You page on other categories. But this is a very interesting place to kind of see the latest greatest on X that day. As you scroll through the homepage, the way you interact now that you have an account with a post is all the options underneath one. So you could read it here. You could sometimes click on a link. If they have a link available, you could press this option. This is called the reply. It's kind of like making a comment on a post. So you can make your own comments here and then just press reply. This option is called repost. So if you click this right here, you could repost, meaning you're sharing this on your own profile. So if you press repost, it's going to basically post it as you that you share this. Or you can also quote the post and add your own thoughts before reposting it. Here is where you can like a post and you give this heart right here. And this one is basically the view count or the analytics behind the post. And you could also bookmark it here and that will appear on your bookmarks. It's a way to save a tweet so you could refer back to it later. Next, you have here share button. If you click this, you have three options right here. You could copy a link to a tweet. So you could email it, for example. You could share it to others via Facebook, WhatsApp, Outlook, LinkedIn, etc. You could send it as a direct message. That's when you send it to another person or a group of people using the messaging platform. This is not sharing it publicly. This is a private message called a direct message or DM. I hope these tips help you make the most out of X and boost your engagement like never before. Introducing Engagi. Grow from invisible to unstoppable. Explode your social media reach and generate more business online with the ultimate AI cheat code. Breakthrough AI-powered Chrome extension for Facebook, X, LinkedIn, and the rest.
Dominate any niche on the social media with superior AI-driven engagement. This is what consistent engagement got us on X and LinkedIn. Again, designed for use on Facebook, X, LinkedIn, Threads, and it's compatible with YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Reddit, Pinterest, Discord, Quora, Tumblr. One-click engagement on any social website. Power your growth with Engagi. Get increased visibility for your content. Engagi helps you to tap into the algo. The algorithm favors those who engage. Engagi builds your subscriber base, build a community that helps you thrive. Engagi creates a powerful network. Create authentic engagement with just one click. Promote your products and services organically. Auto-create custom and unique replies that are tailored to the post. Engage in any language. Multi-AI maximize originality and uniqueness. Engagi keeps your account safe. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Engagi now. Just go to getengagi.in.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.